I'm tired of this rust. I'm gonna go with curative rate, 4 pounds per thousand. So this is going to be my first time using this particular spreader. I know it's not the best for nothing, but it does have this, so I don't have to bend over. Let's go spread. So that was my first time using that, and that is way better than those small ones I've been using. That thing is so easy to push. Let's go get a beer. We'll be right back. Talk about this bliss and death. Another Casa Agria. Has Nelson and Strata hops. Very good. I want to get some more DiseaseEx, and then I need to buy a different active ingredient to kill the rust. So you'll be seeing a shift from IPAs and double IPAs to stouts. I ordered some from Firestone. We'll be getting them next week. I'll show you what I got. Although I did order more IPAs from Casa Agria, two new ones I've never had, so I'll show you those as well. Every time I get some beers now, I'm gonna put them up on YouTube. I mean, it is Lonza and beers, so not Lonza and me drinking beer. It's Lonza and beers. I just really haven't gotten to the beer part. Talk beer talk. Love talking beer talk. I'm in Southern California. I live in Ventura County, which is north of Los Angeles County along the coast. But being close to San Diego and San Francisco, between the two, we can get some pretty good beers here. It's just those East Coast beers. It ain't easy getting them here, especially fresh. And I've thought about doing beer trades, but I'm not going to the post office. But I will gladly accept beer. So, in conclusion, I'll be implementing more beer because I'm running out of content with the yard. Well, I got air in my tires, finish this beer, get some food. That's going to do it for this one, folks. Let's talk beer.